Per Inside EVs, the Rivian R1T electric truck is praised for its road trips, adventuring, and daily driving capabilities. However, it faces challenges as a heavy-duty work truck. YouTuber JerryRigEverything's 22,000-mile review highlights issues like the electronic tonneau cover, which required a labor-intensive replacement. Rivian owners appreciate the truck's range, off-road capability, and software, but repairs can be difficult. Zack from JerryRigEverything had to replace his windshield for $1,800 at a Rivian Service Center. He also noted that dirt and debris get trapped in the truck's bed, causing maintenance headaches. The rear tailgate has clearance issues with tow hitches, similar to problems seen in GMC and Chevy trucks. Zack's charge door had alignment issues, showcasing mechanical overcomplications. Despite these issues, Zack remains happy with his R1T, preferring it over other electric trucks. Rivian might consider a simplified work truck variant in future models. You are listening to UON News.